Cheers to the Stick family.
What is that? Are you okay?
Cheers to the Stick family.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mwah.
So,
We're doing Sober February.
Sober February. It's almost over. Shortest month of the year.
Yes.
But we're going to talk about our March menu.
Yes.
And our March, I'm going to start first.
Okay.
Our March menu is going to be a 80s throwback menu. So basically,
Yay!
what you would find in the 1980s at a fine dining restaurant. So those classic 1980s fine dining menu items. That's what we're doing. We've done this before.
Yeah.
And it was really fun.
Yeah. My father had a fine dining restaurant in the 80s in Southern California, out in San Diego.
So we're bringing him in,
Yes.
and he's going to do some tableside stuff for us, especially for dessert. So that ought to be fun, just like he did in the 80s. And he looks just as good now as he looked in the 80s. I guarantee it. So along those lines, if you want to dress up like you're in the 1980s, you want to drive a DeLorean here to Le Stick, I think that would be a great idea. The more people that get into this, the better.
Yeah, it'd be
but
fun.
we've done this before, we're doing it again.
Yeah.
And what's on the menu?
Okay, so 6 courses for $99. The first course we're going to create our Lobster Thermidor. Always awesome
Classic.
to start off with, yep. We'll move into our grilled Cobb salad with a warm bacon vinaigrette. I'm going to cure some egg yolk to garnish that with.
A little bit of a nice touch.
Yes, and then our soup will be our Chambord French onion. It has a hint of sweetness to it.
Yeah, so the French onion, that you can't get any more classic 80s fine dining than a French onion soup.
No.
We do it a little bit better though. You do it a little bit better.
Thank you. And then, do you know the sorbet?
I don't have a clue. I really don't.
It's one of your favorite things that you've talked about over the years.
Orange Julius?
Yes! Oh my
that's
gosh!
right. Hey,
Yes!
yeah,
Yes.
classic 80s. We probably can't say no. Orange Julius is out of business by now. I think they killed a bunch of people with raw egg or something like that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. So
We're not doing that.
yeah,
They
no,
can't
no
afford
raw
to do
egg.
that.
Yeah. So Orange Julius sorbet.
Yes, and then for the entree, you'll have your choice of our king salmon, which we unilaterally prepare. Which
Clam
is
syrup.
Yep, amazing cooking technique that he has just blown. It's just perfect how you
It's
do
amazing.
it. Yes, it's beautiful. So you can do that, or our version of a Cordon Bleu, which is not breaded. So the chicken breast is stuffed with Boursin cheese and wrapped in prosciutto. So those will be
The chicken cordon bleu, that's very 80s.
Yes.
Does it have any white breading?
not this one.
No.
I don't even know what that means.
A white wedding? Billy Idol?
Oh my
Come on,
gosh.
1980s?
I was born in the 80s.
I know.
You
but
were not.
White breading? No? Well, at least I didn't do a Come On Eileen reference.
Okay.
So-
I've heard these songs.
So dessert, what are we doing for dessert?
We're gonna do Cherries Jubilee, tableside.
Tableside
Yeah,
with Papa Tony.
Yes. Yeah, so it's gonna be awesome. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, one seating at 7 o'clock. If there's any dietary restrictions, just give us at least 24 hours notice and we can accommodate them.
And you gotta make a reservation.
Yeah.
479-981-3123.
Yay,
Yeah.
you did it.
All right. Anything else?
No, come see us.
Yeah.
It's our 11th season. It's Valentine's was awesome. We're starting off with a bang, so.
And we got to do the 80s menu again. So, cheers.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah. We'll see you soon.
White breading.